Start by removing the 4 plastic screw covers from the front of the case. Next, remove the 4 screw covers from the side. Next, loosen the 4 screws inside the side panel. Next, we'll remove the 4 front screws. Next, we're going to lay the laptop flat and carefully pry off the screen cover. Make sure to move the latch out of the way when doing the top, and there may be some tape around the screen, so it may take some gentle prying, but be careful. Next, we're going to remove the 2 screws holding down the sensor board at the bottom of the monitor. Next, we're going to remove 1 screw from the bottom right. Remove the monitor from the casing and lie it gently on the keyboard. Remove the tape securing the video cable and gently pull it free. Next, unplug the power cable and remove the screen. Remove the support bar from the old screen by removing the 4 screws. Attach the support bar to the replacement screen with the same 4 screws. Make sure the screen protector is out of the way. My replacement screen's power cable was too short, so I fixed this by splicing the old cable to the new cable. Next, place your replacement screen face down on your keyboard and attach your video cable, then your power cable. Use some tape to secure the video cable in place. Next, drop the screen into place, making sure to move the protective film out of the way. Next, secure the 4 side screws. Next, secure the sensor board with the 2 screws. Attach the monitor with the bottom right screw. Remove the protective film. Make sure all the cables are stowed away properly so they don't get in the way. Next, snap the front cover into place securely. Next, we're going to secure the 4 front screws. Then we're going to replace the plastic screw covers from the front and the sides. Power on to test, and you're done.